Okay, let's do a quick re-summary of the inorganic syllabus, but in a different style. Okay, these reactions are what happens when we just add water into these groups. If we add water into oxide, metal hydroxide becomes no. If we add water, the metal oxide becomes the metal hydroxide. Metal peroxide becomes the metal hydroxide and hydrogen peroxide. Metal superoxide becomes metal hydroxide and hydrogen peroxide and oxygen. If we just add a metal into water, it forms the metal hydroxide and hydrogen. If we add steam into metal, however, it will form the metal oxide and hydrogen. If we add metal nitride into water, we would get the we would get the metal hydroxide and ammonia gas. If we add a metal into a if we add water into metal hydride, we will get the metal hydroxide and we'll get metal hydrogen. We will get hydrogen as well. If we add water into sulfide, we will get the aqueous sulfide. If we add water into the phosphide, we will get metal phosphide, we will get the metal hydroxide and phosphine gas. If we add water into sodium trichloride, nitrogen trichloride, we would get ammonia and hypochlorous acid, which is the bleaching agent. If we add cold water into fluorine, we will get hydrofluoric acid and oxygen, while if we add hot water into fluorine, we will get hydrofluoric acid and and ozone. If we were to add water into chlorine, we would get hypochlorous acid and hydrochloric acid. And if we were to add antimony and bismuth chlorides into water, we will observe a white turbidity forming, and that is unique to these two compounds. Just add water.